Hello everyone, Everyday Cuber back again, and today we're going to continue solving the Rubik's Cube. If you need the last two steps of solving the daisy and the white cross, link will be in the description below. If you want to learn finger tricks, the link will also be in the description below. So without further ado, let's get right back into it. So we're going to be solving this white surface layer and this ring around it, this first layer. So now the first case we're going to cover is if it's in the top layer. Right now we're using this white, green, and orange piece. So since in the top layer, you want to bring it down to the side, bring back up. Your goal is always to put in the bottom layer and then insert it. You want to make sure it's also in the right slot. So this is white, green, and orange. It's more important you focus on the green and orange than the white. Just make sure you're using the correct piece because you're solving the white side. So you're looking at this green and orange. So you want it to be in the correct slot. So it's like between these both orange and green. My trick to remember is you have this green and it's diagonal to the same color like that. So it's in like the middle basically. And if it's down there, you move it out of the way, bring it down, move it back, bring it back up, and you have this first piece in. Now the next way we're going to learn is the next case is if the white is facing downwards. So first, you just basically want to get into the first layer again. So you don't need to make sure it's in the correct slot for now. You can do that later. So you bring it down, side, then down, down, and then back up. So now this is here, but it's not in the correct slot. So you gotta put in the correct slot. This is orange and blue. So this is blue, but not orange here. So you got to move it again, and now it's in the correct slot. And you do the same algorithm. So now we're also gonna learn if it's on the other side. It's basically the same thing, but you're just doing it for the left side. So say you have this piece in the left. You gotta get it into its slot. So this is green and red. We have the red, but this is blue. So no, not red or green. So no, green but not red. But now we have red and green. So this is the correct slot. And if it's here, you just go the other way, bring it down, and bring it back, put it back up. So yeah, now if you want to know, for the bottom layer, it's mostly going to be the same. You can just put in the right and then make sure you do it correctly by, yeah, you remember it. So yeah. So now we're going to focus on if it's in the top layer, but other side. So we're going to try to get this here. Alright, so now it's the same thing basically. You're just doing it on the other side. So say it's here. So what you want to do is bring it down, side, back up. Same thing. So it's basically the same thing. You just want to make sure you're just doing the same thing, but just the left side basically. So just a quick refresher. Correct slot. Boom, down, boom, up. Then here, correct slot, other side, other way. Bring it back down, insert it, pair it up. If it's in the top, down, side, make back, down, down. Then bring it back up. Now correct slot, move it out of the way, bring the layer down, insert it back, put it back up. So yeah, that is basically how you solve the first layer. This is one of the hardest parts when I was learning it. So you may need to watch the video over and over again to remember each case. So yeah, thank you for watching and listening. Our next step we'll learn is the middle layer. So thank you for watching and listening. Please like and subscribe on the road to 100 subscribers. See you next time on Everyday Cuber.